Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about binary addition. And let's take a binary number 10 and we are having another number 11. If we want to add these two numbers, we will start from this least significant bit and we will add one bit at a time. This zero will be added with this one. So what will the resultant? 0 plus 1, we are having 1. So the resultant is 1. Now, moving towards the next bit, we are having 1, 1. We are having two ones. In decimal, 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is equivalent of 2? The equivalent of 2 is 1, 0. This is the binary of 2. So the resultant is 1, 0 base 2. And what will be the part? What will be the sum part? This least significant bit is sum part. And the next bit is our carry part. So we will have this 0 in sum and the one resultant is a carry. As the number has been finished, we don't have any other bit to perform addition. So the resultant this carry is represented in the result of this complete number. Now we will check the process which we have used is correct or not. So this is the binary of 2 and this is the binary of 3. If we add them in decimal, we will have 5. And you can see here, as we have performed in binary, the resultant is 101. It is equivalent to 5 by just simply putting the base weight of each and every bit, which is 1, 2, 4. We will not add this 2 with this 4 because it is corresponding to a 0 bit. The remaining bits will be added 4 plus 1, which is equivalent to 5. So we have added a binary number which is 2 and the other number is 3. The resultant is 5. Now let's take another example. For example, we are having a value 110 and we are having 101. Now we will have some of the cases in this number. First of all, 0 plus 0, the resultant is 0. So the resultant is 0. 1 plus 1, as we have performed earlier, 1 plus 1 is some part is 0 and the carry part is 1. We will encircle this carry to differentiate between bits. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. To perform this, we will simply add 2 bits at a time. 1 plus 1, we know that the 1 plus 1 is 0 is the sum part and 1 is the carry part. Now we have to add the next 1 to this number, which is 1. Simply adding these two numbers, 1 plus 0, 1, and the next bit adjacent to this one, if we are having not or we can see that we don't have any bit on this side, which is MSB, we can put a 0 on this side. So 1 plus 0, 1. The resultant is 1, 1. This one, which is the least significant bit, is the sum part, while the next bit adjacent to the sum part is carry part. So we will have this 1 and 1. This is the process by which we can perform addition. If we want to verify it, we can, as we know this is 6. 6 plus 6, we are having 12, which is 12. You can see this is binary of 12. Hopefully this is informative for you. If you are having any confusion, do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.